Season 4 Episode 12. Tamir Brown's second clone makes a deathbed video out of Titanic / Punishment Day / Ultra Grounded.
Oh my god. I really hate Titanic. Just why? Because he keeps making videos of Titanic YouTubers. What should I do? That gives me an idea. I'm going to make a deathbed video out of him to learn his lesson. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I'm on my computer. Time to make a video.
When Tamir Brown's second clone finished making the video.
Okay, since I finished the video, let's watch it.
After Tamir Brown's second clone watched the video.
This is so funny. Time to upload it to YouTube. Yes! It is done.
Meanwhile at Titanic's house.
Let's see what's new on YouTube. Wait a second, is that a video of me? I better watch it.
Hello, and how may I help you?
I need to visit Titanic.
Okay, then put your name on your firm. Thank you, and his room is on the left side. Titanic, please don't leave us, you are my best friend.
Come on, Titanic, I don't want you to pass away. I agree, Golden Titanic, we don't want to miss him. I agree with you, Mega Titanic. Please, don't leave us. Yes.
I agree.
Me too, please don't leave me. Oh, look at this. Guys, he's now waking up.
I'm back.
Yes! He's finally alive.
He's finally alive.
I know, Mr. Titanic 6000. Hold up, it's my phone.
No, Titanic, please don't die. No.
Well, I think we lost our legend. He sadly passed away. I need this picture. Well, I'm crying because I lost my friend.
Goodbye, Titanic, we miss you so much.
Oh my god! Holy!
I can't believe that Tamir Brown's clone made a deathbed video out of me. That's it, I'm calling his dad.
When Titanic called Tamir Brown's second clone's dad.
Tamir Gale Lou. Get downstairs right now.
What do you want?
Is this true that you made a deathbed video out of Titanic?
Ugh, yes, I did.
Tamir Brown. only I conclude. How dare you make a deathbed video out of Titanic? That is so it. Today is your punishment day.
No, please, not my punishment day. Anything but that.
No Tamir Brown second clone. Let's start this punishment day. First punishment, making you eat expired chips.
But Dad,
No buts. Drink it right now.
arg. It tastes very gross.
I don't care Tamir Brown second clone. Let's move on. Second punishment, taking a hot shower.
No, Dad, I don't want to take a hot shower.
Too late.
Ow, 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 ow. Ooh. Oh. Hot ho thought 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 hot
I don't care. Let's move on. Third punishment, spending in the storm for 5 hours.
5 hours later.
And final punishment, you are grounded for 20 days. Go to sleep right now.
Wah.
Thanks for watching.